Shyla and Edwin, advance. Here comes the crash. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. You're on the hook, but I'll take this. I brought friends of my own, headed by Dave Clark, GCDC. We got Brandon, we got Tony, we got Keen, we got Isidro, we got Lino. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's go inside. I love this enthusiasm. All right, first of all, kudos for clearing this out. Thank you. Now, this whole house, no one room for Edwin. I mean, you got a pole, which is kind of for Edwin. Right. Would you like to see what we came up with? Yeah. Would you guys like to see? Boom. Oh! Wow! All right, let me walk you around the room.